Jerry Cantrell's top 9 favorite albums, a rock legend's picks. Ever wondered what albums shaped the sound of Alice in Chains? Jerry Cantrell, the mastermind behind some of grunge and metal's heaviest riffs, has shared his all-time favorite records, and trust me, this list proves just how deep his musical roots go. From bluesy rock to heavy metal, let's break down Jerry Cantrell's top 9 favorite albums of all time. Number 9, Elton John, Madman Across the Water.
Jesus freaks out in the street.
Jerry Cantrell is a fan of Elton John. The deep storytelling and haunting melodies of songs like Tiny Dancer and Leave On influenced Cantrell's approach to writing emotional, melodic tracks. Just listen to Don't Follow or Down in a Hole. Number 8, Pink Floyd, The Dark Side of the Moon. One of the most legendary albums ever, The Dark Side of the Moon is a sonic journey. The atmospheric production, introspective lyrics, and epic instrumentals clearly made an impact on Cantrell. That same hypnotic, spacey vibe can be heard in Alice in Chains' deeper cuts like Frogs and Sludge Factory. Number 7, Led Zeppelin. Led Zeppelin 4.
Make you burn, gonna make you stay.
You can't talk about legendary rock without mentioning Led Zeppelin 4. Jimmy Page's guitar mastery and Robert Plant's soaring vocals clearly influenced Cantrell's style. The combination of acoustic beauty and heavy riffs, like in Stairway to Heaven, is something Jerry often channels in his own work. Number 6, Black Sabbath, Volume 4. Doomy, sludgy, and packed with heavy riffs, Volume 4 is peak Black Sabbath. Songs like Supernaut and Snowblind showcase a darker, moodier tone that you can absolutely hear in Alice in Chains' heavier tracks, especially on Dirt. Number 5, ZZ Top, Tres Hombres.
Talking about just let me know.
This town, wrap that child outside the range, you know what I'm talking about. Just let me know.
Bluesy, gritty, and full of attitude, ZZ Top's Tres Hombres was a game changer. Tracks like La Grange and Waitin' for the Bus groove hard, and you can hear that southern blues swagger in Alice in Chains' more groove-heavy riffs, like Wood and No Excuses. Number 4, AC/DC, Highway to Hell. Bon Scott's final album, and one of the most high-energy rock records ever. Cantrell has always admired raw rock and roll, and you can hear AC/DC's influence in the straightforward, punchy riffs of early Alice in Chains songs like We Die Young. Number 3, Iron Maiden, The Number of the Beast.
My mind was blank. I needed time to think to.
Jerry has always loved metal, and The Number of the Beast is pure heavy metal perfection. Bruce Dickinson's soaring vocals and the twin guitar attack of Adrian Smith and Dave Murray were a big influence on Cantrell's own melodic yet heavy playing style. Number 2, UFO, Strangers in the Night.
Sister, you're still shaking. And your tragedy's never ending.
One of the greatest live albums of all time. UFO's Strangers in the Night showcases Michael Schenker's insane guitar work, something that no doubt influenced Cantrell's melodic yet heavy approach to solos. The way he blends melody and aggression in tracks like Man in the Box is a clear nod to Schenker's influence. Number 1. Aerosmith, Rocks. Cantrell has called Rocks one of the most badass albums ever made. The dirty blues rock energy of Aerosmith in the 70s helped shape his guitar tone and songwriting. Tracks like Nobody's Fault have that raw, aggressive feel that you can hear in Alice in Chains' biggest hits. So, what do you think of Jerry Cantrell's top picks? Do any of these albums surprise you? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, or else you might miss out on more epic rock and metal trivia.